भारतीय फार्मास्यूटिकल्स इंडस्ट्री में नामी कंपनी एनटॉट फार्मास्यूटिकल्स को उनके इनोवेटिव प्रेसवू आई ड्रॉप्स के लिए ड्रग कंट्रोलर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया DCGI से मंजूरी मिल गई है। प्रेसवू प्रेसबायोपिया के इलाज में एक महत्वपूर्ण उपलब्धि है। इस ड्रॉप पर एनटॉट फार्मास्यूटिकल्स को सेंट्रल ड्रग स्टैंडर्ड्स कंट्रोल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन CDSCO की सब्जेक्ट एक्सपर्ट कमेटी SEC से पहले ही मंजूरी मिल चुकी थी। प्रेसवू भारत में पहली आई ड्रॉप है जिसे विशेष रूप से प्रेसबायोपिया से पीड़ित व्यक्तियों के लिए बिना चश्मे के पढ़ने के लिए बनाया गया है। प्रेसबायोपिया एक उम्र से संबंधित सामान्य दृष्टि की बीमारी है। इस बीमारी से आमतौर पर 40 से ज्यादा उम्र के लोग पीड़ित होते हैं। कंपनी ने प्रेसवू के निर्माण और प्रक्रिया के संदर्भ में इस आविष्कार के लिए पेटेंट के लिए भी आवेदन किया है। एनटॉट का ये फॉर्मूला न केवल पढ़ने वाले चश्मे से छुटकारा दिलाता है बल्कि मरीज को एक अतिरिक्त लाभ देता है, जैसे कि ये आंखों को नमी देने में भी मदद करता है। ये आई ड्रॉप आंसू के खून को तेजी से अनुकूलित करने के लिए एडवांस्ड डायनामिक बफर तकनीक का उपयोग करते हैं। इस वजह से लंबे समय तक इसका असर बना रहता है और आंखों को सुरक्षा मिलती है। बात जब सालों तक आई ड्रॉप इस्तेमाल करने की आती है तो ये कारगर साबित होती है। एक रिपोर्ट के अनुसार वैश्विक स्तर पर 1.09 बिलियन से 1.80 बिलियन लोगों के प्रेसबायोपिया से पीड़ित होने का अनुमान है। इस बीमारी का असर बड़े पैमाने पर पड़ता है। प्रेसबायोपिया उम्र बढ़ने के कारण होने वाली बीमारी है। उम्र बढ़ने पर आंख की फोकस करने की क्षमता कम हो जाती है, जिससे पास की वस्तुओं पर ध्यान केंद्रित करने में कठिनाई होती है। ये बीमारी किसी व्यक्ति के जीवन की गुणवत्ता को महत्वपूर्ण रूप से प्रभावित कर सकती है, जिससे रोजमर्रा के कामों को करने और अपनी लाइफ स्टाइल को बनाए रखने की उनकी क्षमता प्रभावित हो सकती है। कई लोगों को पहली बार प्रेसबायोपिया का पता तब चलता है जब वे पढ़ने वाली वस्तुओं को स्पष्ट रूप से देखने के लिए एक हाथ की लंबाई पर पकड़कर देखते हैं। एक साधारण सी आंख की जांच से इस बीमारी का पता लगाया जा सकता है।
Very customized to every patient their need. So this is a game changer there. So once again, kudos to Nikhil and Team Endot for making this happen, because we lacked it in India. We didn't have this product, and now it's going to really change the face of it. So what pilocarpine has been there for a really long time for glaucoma treatment. So it's been tried and tested. It's one of the drugs which has been there for ages. Like I'm talking about since maybe 100 years or so. So a diluted form, a form which is now going to be used for presbyopia, is actually a very genius effort at making presbyopia a success, because it acts by making these muscles which control the flexibility of the lens, making it more flexible so that all of us can see better. Also, it constricts the pupil and makes it smaller, so it gives us a beautiful depth. Like Sir mentioned, even in low light you can read. That happens because of the pupillary size. So just once a day dosage of putting this early in the morning, and then in 15-20 minutes you can read. That's like Harry Potter magic. So on total it's quite promising, and I think we'll be doing a lot of this in our OPDs.
Wow, just once a day? You don't even have to remind yourself to put something like 3 times a day. This is really the clinical trials, and of course the patch, the COVID patch that came in between. So I'm going to ask Dr. Barclays, so share with us how you were involved in this entire research process for Presview, and something that you like to talk to us about, the clinical trials, especially for the ophthalmology segment. If you could elaborate on that.
Yeah, so as I mentioned, phase 3 clinical trials is the centerpiece for the proof of evidence for clinical efficacy, and as you know, for any new drug which is being brought for the first time in India, you will require a rigorous clinical trial. These are called phase 3 trials because this is the last phase before market introduction. And Endot did a full-fledged phase 3 trial in about 234 subjects, patients, at about 15 different eye hospitals spanning many of the states, and with a single protocol. And this is a trial that is called a randomized control trial, because placebo is the control here. As you know, placebo is the inert medication. So these 234 patients at 15 different ophthalmic clinics, they put these eye drops. They were split into 2 groups. One group receiving the active drug, which is the Presview, and the other group receiving placebo, which was in this case.
Dr. Aditya said that there was no therapeutic option for presbyopia of all these years. So when we came out with the idea, it was mainly sitting with all the ophthalmologists and discussing what the solution can be. And then that's when we got the idea that why not formulate our own version of pilocarpine for the treatment of presbyopia. So it was the advice and the suggestions of ophthalmologists all across the country who really helped us develop this. And it was the need of the hour then. There were a lot of ophthalmologists from all over India who were advising us to go for this. So that is how the idea came about. And then we obviously got our R&D involved. We started developing it. This work started in 2019, before the pandemic. Even during the pandemic, our labs were open all throughout the year to research this, to stabilize the formulation. And then post-pandemic, we applied to DCGI, got the approvals needed for the phase 3 trials, and then eventually got it approved. So it's been a long journey. It's been almost 5 years. But I think one thing that I want to say here is that here in India, we can develop formulations like this from scratch at almost 1/10 the cost of what it would have costed in the US. So I think that advantage we have the right people, we have everything there now, we have the research infrastructure. I think all we need is the will to do something, and I think that's where we succeeded in this case.
That's great to know.